What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Elmo. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page. Draw a circle for the nose. We're going to start at the very top of the center, go all the way around towards the bottom of the nose, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to tuck the eyes in behind the nose. So we're going to start right in the center with the left eye, draw another circle, go all the way around, and then in towards the side. Go back to the center and draw in the right eye. We're going to go up, go all the way around, and then in. Let's add two smaller circles in the center of each eye for the pupils. And then we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's start on the left. We're going to come down just underneath the nose, bend that up towards the right, and then on the ends we'll add a small bracket. Let's move in and draw the bottom of the mouth. We're going to start back on the left, curve this down, around, and then up. Now I switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now, from the outside of the eyes, we're going to curve the head going all the way around the mouth and then in towards the neck. We're going to add these little curves to add a little bit of texture. Starting on the left side, just going to add this bump. Just working our way around the mouth, coming down. We're just going to bring that in towards the neck to right about there. Let's go over towards the right eye and do the same thing. Again, going around the corner of the mouth, and coming down and in, leaving a gap in the center. Let's stretch the arms out towards the side. So we'll start underneath the head on the left, then the arm going out and then up. Line it up on the right. Now I'm going to point the thumbs going up. So we're going to go up and then back down. Let's add two fingers on either side. Going out and then in. Add a second finger coming around and then in towards the wrist. Let's add that same texture across the bottom of the arm. Just going to work our way in towards the side of the body. I'm going to round out the side of the body, starting back on the left, adding the little bumps coming in towards the hips. Let's go to the center, step down, add a curve, coming down and up. Now leaving a gap in the center, go left side, we're going to add these little bumps coming down the inside of the left leg, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Let's round out the feet, starting back on the left, go all the way around towards the outside, bend the foot coming up and then in. Now from the hips, we're going to step out and close off the leg. These little bumps coming down towards the feet. Now let's sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Elmo from Sesame Street. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.